Okay, I am back with another jewelry jar. This one looks like it's all bracelets. I was able to pick up 5 or 6 jewelry jars from a Goodwill that was closing. I'm bummed that it's closing. However, I was glad that I was able to pick up the jewelry jars at a reduced price. So let's see what's in here. Okay. Let's see this first one. Well, you know I like that. It is some sort of plastic. It's a little bit pearly, and then has all of these sparkles in it. And it's carved a little bit too. Yep, I like that. Let me see if I can even put it on my hand. It's a small one. Oof. Okay, I got it on. I'm not sure I'll be able to get it off, but there we go. Let's see. I'm going to take out a few of these. Okay. Cute little costume cuff. You can't tell. You can't tell what those stones are supposed to look like. They're plastic, but they're very sparkly. So pretty. Okay, we have copper bracelet. It's a nice one. So what I probably will do is put a pile together that will be sold as a lot, and I'll pull out anything that is that I want to sell separately, and then I'll put together a craft lot over here. Okay, so this one, Wish Peace Unity, it's cute. It is worn on the inside, so that's gonna go craft. Okay, 2 of these. They're slightly misshapen. I'm gonna put those in craft as well. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can adjust the light a little bit here. Okay, there we go. All right, so this one is sort of a gunmetal. It's very shiny. It's sort of like one long strip, twisted and twisted and twisted and twisted. I'll put that in the lot. Okay, this is going in craft. This is just a lightweight plastic. It's kind of a pretty design. I don't see any marks, and it doesn't look like it's particularly high quality, so I'm going to I'll put that in craft. Okay, that's pretty. Let's see. Think it's magnetic? Heck yeah. Okay, so this has some wear, quite a lot of wear actually. I'm sure it can be cleaned up, but I'm still gonna put it in craft. Okay. Oh, and then we have 2 of these sparkly things. This one is missing some of its stones at the stations. So that one's definitely craft. This one, just giving it a quick look over to see. That one looks okay. I'll put that one in the lot. Okay. I have a soft spot for these paper beads. I think most of the time they come from Africa. And yeah, I just really like those. And I will put that into the lot. And if you're interested in buying the lot or the craft, just contact me via my email or via the contacts, or no, via the comment section below. This is plastic. It's kind of pretty, but it's plastic. I'm just gonna throw that in the craft. Let's see here. Yeah, this is a pretty little bracelet. Put that in craft too. And I think I had one of these in the last jar. Some kind of a breast cancer awareness piece. I guess I'll put it in the wearable lot. I'm not sure what I did with the other one. Let's get some more out here. Okay, this is bent to all heck. Looks like it's got crowns on either end. You just see if it's magnetic. Okay. Alright, that is not magnetic. Does not look like silver to me, but I'll go ahead and test it. Okay, here we go. Those look like an agate. Very pretty stones. Yeah. I'm going to put that into the craft. One of those tattoo bracelets. Maybe this one's probably a necklace, a choker. But yeah, craft. I want to thank you for watching and everything. Really appreciate you. Okay, this one's kind of pretty. It's definitely worn, and it's pretty small. Let me see. I think it's small. No, it's not that bad. Not too small. It's almost 6 3/4. It's missing a stone here, and one here. So craft. Okay, let's see. What's next? That is worn out, looks cheaply made, and it is magnetic. I'm gonna put that one in craft. Okay, now this one, it's nice. Doesn't look like it's anything too special to be sold on its own, but I'll put that one into the wearable lot. Okay, and then necklace. Okay, and this one has an 8.5 inch drop. Stretched out, it's probably 18 inches. It's a little hard to see what this. It's gold tone. Anyways, I'll put that into the wearable. Okay. Cute little jingle bracelet here. It's got a Buddha and a bell, and then all these other beads. Let me see if it's magnetic. It's not. I don't think it's Alex and Ani, so it's probably not sterling. However, I will test it. Okay, and another cute little bracelet here that is going in craft. I think there's only 2 things left. There's some nice beads. Okay, that's going in craft. Let's see. Okay, this is the last thing. It is quite pretty. It's one of those wraparound. Okay, I ran out of space, so I'm going to try to finish this fast. So this is one of those wrap bracelets. It's quite nice. Looks like something died, probably dyed howlite. Maybe magnesite. It's a little bit shinier than I expect howlite to be. At any rate, I'll put that in the lot, and then we're going to test these 2 things really fast. Okay, here we go. And while we are doing that, I'm going to say thank you for watching. Okay, the camera cut off again when I was just testing those last couple of things. No sterling in that lot. So if you are interested in any of the pieces that I showed, just let me know. Got a craft lot and a wearable lot. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.